Hi, I'm Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog, and welcome back to the Heyday Challenge, where we go through various pages of the book Heyday and do activities relating to them. For today, we are making paper airplanes. Basically, this page just shows you how to make a paper airplane. I'm going to show you a slightly different technique, which is how I learned to make paper airplanes. And then we're going to see how well our paper airplane flies. For this craft, you will need a sheet of scrap paper, or not scrap paper, just paper. That's basically all you need. So you could use plain white paper, pattern paper, anything you want. You could also use colored pencils or markers or something like that to decorate it, but those steps are all optional. The key thing that you need is paper. So let's get started. Alright everyone, pop quiz time. Just kidding, this is just the scrap paper that we're going to be using for our airplane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sheet of paper and flip it over to the blank side. We're going to start by folding it in half. We want to make each of our folds as carefully as possible, especially when we're folding around the tip area. So now that we have this folded in half, we're going to unfold it, and we're going to fold the flaps in toward the center. And for our airplane to be aerodynamic, we want a very nice sharp tip, and that's going to be a little tricky, so we're going to have to fold this in as carefully as we can. So I want to get right to that center line. And smooth it. And we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. So we're going to bring this corner in and line it up with the center line. And we're going to go like that. So then we're going to take this side and fold this line in. And again, we're going to want to be very careful around the tip. And so now this is what our airplane looks like. Then we're going to go ahead and fold it in half like this. And then we've got one more step, which is to fold this side down. So we're going to go ahead and just fold this down so that we meet this edge here. And then we're going to repeat the process on the other side. And now we have our paper airplane. At this step, you can decorate it if you want, so we could take a colored pencil, give it some kind of name. I think I'm going to call this one Snow Flyer because it's going to get its test run in the snow, so we're just going to write the name on there. But you can just go ahead and fly it or decorate it either way. So just to give it a little extra bit of pizzazz, I'll write a name on its wing. And we could draw some little snowflakes. And now Snow Flyer is ready to go venture outside and fly. So I'm here with Snow Flyer out in the snow, and so we're gonna fly our little plane. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love it if you gave it a like. If you want to see more videos in the Heyday series, then you may want to subscribe. If you like crafts in general, you can check out my craft blog, amberscraftweek.blogspot.com, which I'll link to below. Thanks for watching and have a great day!